Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lower motor cover from the tool. With the cover removed, I have access to the motor brushes. I'll remove the brush cap with a screwdriver. And then I can remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush. I'll align the brush with the brush holder, insert it into the holder, and align the ears with the slots in the brush holder. I'll hold the brush in place as I slide the cap over the top of it. Now I can tighten up the cap. A trick I like to use is to rotate the cap backwards until I hear the threads engage. And then I can tighten the cap. That'll keep me from cross-threading it. And I'll repeat this for the other brush. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to install new motor brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.